Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing 8 simple DIY activities designed to help kids build focus, strengthen memory, and boost problem-solving skills, great for kids with attention challenges like ADHD. All you need is paper, markers, and creativity. Let's dive in. Activity 1. Match the color dot to the right shape. Draw different angles of the same shape like a C or demi-circle, and place colored dots inside each of them. Then, let your child match each color dot to the correct shape. This is a great activity for color recognition and visual memory. Activity 2. Pattern lines. Draw several lines and start each one with a simple pattern using colored dots. Let your child continue and complete the patterns on their own. This fun activity boosts sequencing skills and encourages logical thinking. Activity 3. Dot pair on a large circle. Draw a large circle and place pairs of colored dots around the edge. You can add as many as you can to teach various colors. Ask your child to connect the matching dots with a line. This activity helps with visual tracking and fine motor skills. Activity 4. Shape sorting columns. Draw a grid on a piece of paper. Use the first row to label each column with a different color, and the first column to label each row with a different shape, like a triangle, circle, or square. Then, let your child draw or color the matching shapes in the correct boxes by combining both shape and color. This activity builds classification skills, visual scanning, and attention to detail. Activity 5. Color like the model. Draw a series of simple shapes, like squares, circles, in a specific direction. Color one of each shape with a different color. Then, challenge your child to recreate the exact same pattern right next to yours. This fun visual activity boosts attention to detail, strengthens visual processing skills, and encourages focus in a playful way. Activity 6. Complete the missing patterns. Create a simple repeating pattern using numbers, letters, or colors. In this example, we're using a number pattern. Write out the pattern but leave a few parts blank. Your child's job is to spot the pattern and fill in what's missing. To make it easier, you can write the missing numbers off to the side as clues to help your child choose the correct one. This activity strengthens logic, pattern recognition, prediction skills, and working memory, all while keeping it fun and interactive. Activity 7. Dot pattern challenge. Create several dot grid on a piece of paper. Then fill the first grid with a colorful pattern. Ask your child to continue or mirror the pattern on the other side. This activity is a great visual-spatial challenge and boosts visual scanning and attention to detail. Activity 8. Find the match. Draw several sets of simple shapes or images in rows, some that are exactly the same, and others with small differences. Start with easy shapes, then gradually increase the difficulty as your child gets the hang of it. Challenge your child to find the exact matches. This activity helps build visual discrimination, attention to detail, and focus, skills that are especially helpful for kids with ADHD. These 8 activities may look easy, but they're powerful tools for developing cognitive and analytical thinking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hands-on learning ideas every week.